Here you go. Look at the family is here. They're just having a snack, you know. Mamo. Here. Mamo. Mamo. Iniki. Come on. Fiona. Ruba. Come on. Look. The small one, what she's doing, my goodness. Oi. She ride on the plate, my goodness. That's why the big ones don't have time to eat. Because the small one, they dive inside the plate to eat. So this is it. Come on. Mimi. What's the matter? Chai Chai. Chai Chai. Binaki. Come here. Chai Chai. She's there. Chai. Chai Chai. Chai. The poor babies that I have here, it was by accident, you know. Before the male cat was castrated, I didn't realize that the female was impregnate already, so this is the result. But they have the owner already, so after 2 months they will collect this baby because I have enough. So that's the first baby. So they're 5 weeks old now, but they start eating the usual food, even the dry food and everything. So is it that's it's empty, they ate already. And look, the other one, the belly is already big but still eating, you know, eating and eating. That's the mama eating with the baby. Okay, and those are the papa. That's the papa. Mamo, they listen to their names. Mamo. Miniki. Mamo. Miniki. Miniki. Come on. Mamo. When the small one dive into the plate, they just let them eat, you know. Those old cat, they give way to the small cat to eat. So as you see, the house is like a jungle of the cats. My goodness. So can you imagine, guys, if all these bigs, because this one is 3 months old already. That one, I have 3, so, and I have small cat 4, so that's 7. It's really nice to have these animals in the house. They're all disciplined. They don't make mess anywhere, you know. They just go straight into the bath. We train them to use the bath. Then we don't use any sun, or that's it, or anything. Just just wash the bath after with water. So every time we come home, all their mess is just inside the bathtub, I mean. So I put something in there, and they just go there, and that's it. So here you go. That's the first male cat I have, but he's already castrated. It's very big. Mimi, Mimi, what you doing? Huh? What you doing? Hmm? Kingsy. This one I adopted from one of my neighbor, because I have I adopted three cats, I think, from my neighbor, because the owner said they don't have time because they've been working and working, and the cat was trying to go out from the house. So I adapt those one, and now they're very disciplined. So they are very comfortable in the house, and that's it. So as we can see here, all these small babies, they started eating now. They're 5 weeks old. Look, this one, the belly is so huge. Been eating and eating non-stop. After eating the wet food, the canned food, just go back to to the dry food. So it's amazing, yeah. So that's it, guys. If you are animal lovers, so you will enjoy having with them like a family, and that's it. Anyway, the house is big enough for the cats. I have terrace, the back terrace. I have extra room for their relax, so they just go and relax, as we see that they're eating. As you can see there, they're relaxing on this on the hallway there. They usually relax there, but on their bedroom, I have all those ladder. They're like for them to play. I have everything, so let's go there. I have the water everywhere in the corner. So this, I give them electric fan. So that is the ladder. It's nearly on the ceiling, because the cats, they usually relax there. On the daytime they were sleeping, and sometimes this is their room. You see, that's their room. They have their electric fan as well, where they're playing. So the window has the screen that they cannot go out. I let them go out in the garden only in the daytime to hang around. So that's it. Now their activity. You see, after they're eating, they go straight there in the bath. That's it. So they just always there in the bath. So you cannot see even pee anywhere. They just go there making a pee and make a caca in the bath. So that's it. Their discipline, and they make a pee over here as well. That one. They make a pee over there. So that's why I put that blue thing there for them not to, you know, step over the pee. And that's it. Okay, so I don't want to show you because I have three there. I need to clean up. So that's their activity. After they're eating, they go straight in the bath. And then after that, I just clean up with bleach. Okay, this is my bathroom. That's my bathroom. I have everything there. This is my closet in the bathroom, my for hygiene or everything, and that's it. Look. They're waiting for somebody to come out from the bath, and that's it. So that's their activity. After eating, they go straight there, so that's the time to clean up, and that's it. All the time I just use the bleach, you know, the uh, the bleach that kills bacteria, odors, and everything. So that's it. And this is my house, my kitchen over there. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much. So I have to wash this cast plate now and put them in the place. So they're relaxing now because they eat already. It's not their usual food, it's just a snack for them before they go to bed. Okay, guys, thank you so much. And someday when I go home, I think some of them are going to travel in the Philippines to go home because they have all the documents. They have passport, they have residence card as well, like human being. Because here in Spain is mandatory. If you have animals, dogs and cats, they are obliged to have the passport and the documents. They have also hospital, they have their clinics. So that's it. All of them, the big one, they have all the passport and their residence card. They can travel anywhere in Europe or anywhere in the world. I just need the permit from the doctor and the entry, exit and the entry. Okay, guys, thank you so much, and that's it. Hope you enjoy these animals that I have here. This is my activity during I'm in the house, just taking care of the animal. Okay, thank you so much for the new followers, and hope you have a little bit of time to see the video until the end. Thank you.